Hey everybody, in this video I will show you exactly how to fix the Minecraft connection timed out error Getsockopt. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. So to fix this, first make sure that your internet connection is good. Sometimes you may need to change your router, then open your Windows and check your internal IP to see if it has changed, because sometimes it does. You can check this by searching for command prompt, then open it and run ipconfig. If it's okay, the other method to fix this error is to come back to your Windows, then search virus and threats. Click on firewall and network protection. From here, click on the private network and turn off the firewall. However, it is too dangerous to do that for your system. Otherwise, uninstall the game and reinstall it again. So that is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.